Hello, my name is Bumi. I'm here to introduce we are here to present our project group on Hilton Hotels. I want to introduce my fellow teammates. My name is Bumi, and we have Paul, we have Dare, we have Ifeoma, and we also have Olajumoke. And the second slide is all about the agenda of Hilton Hotels. We have the company introduction. Under the company introduction, we also have job ad. Under job ad, we have job analysis, we have conclusion, and we have references.
All right. Hilton Hotel is one of the global representative organizations in the world. So they have 22 brands, 123 countries and territories, and 7,295 properties worldwide.
Job ad we'll be talking about is guest service agents. The job description of job service agents are as follows. They provide visitors with great services during their check-in and check-out procedures and customer focused. As the first person guest we contact, it will be their responsibility to respond to all their questions. If they have any issue or any query, they try as much as possible to resolve it. They address their needs, make sure that the environment is comfortable for the guests. Their responsibility are as follows. They greet visitors on their arrivals. They make sure that the environment is clean and comfortable for the guests to stay in. They help guests with their luggages and other services. Thank you.
This is a recommendation. The submitted job description and posting for guest service agents positioned at Hilton Hotel and Resort in Toronto, Ontario, Canada are a good fit. It contains the crucial details about the job functions and the responsibility of the agent, and the firm locations, job title, the job postings requirements, and work tasks align with the job descriptions. It was well spelled out. And the second analysis is, nonetheless, there are few noteworthy variation between the sample job and descriptions of the job postings, and most especially, the job postings is devoid of certain information that's about the sample of job descriptions and the job posting. And at the same time, the information that can be found in the example or description, such as job analyst names, the date of the work assumptions, and the job code was not really spelled out in that advertisement or the job ad that placed on the internet. And the job description did not provide information on the precise working hours. It was not spelling out the hours of the work that the employees is going to come up, the salary package, and other incentive or other advantages that the workers stand to enjoy when it's absorbed into the system. And the job duties included in this job ad is appropriately match the obligation indicated in the job descriptions and is clearly defined. It may be improved by stressing how important providing the exceptional customer service is, as this is an essential potential of the position. As we all know that every customer interface with, every agent interface with customers, so that the organization can work on that. And the job postings respect diversity and equal opportunity by avoiding any discriminatory terminology in the advert. There was no age limit, there was no region, there was no specific location where the agent is expected from, so that it's open-ended application. On a global basis, the work criteria are reasonable when applied to a worldwide position, is generally acceptable, is globally acceptable. And to take off for that, Ifeoma, you can go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Paul. My name is Ifeoma. I'm here to conclude what they have said so far. Hilton Hotel has the best practices in recruiting and selection process. They follow their job description and their requirements. They include a thorough and understandable summary of the position. They stress the value of adaptability, the problem-solving ability, and the first-rate customer. This organization highlights the multicultural and the value nature of the position to draw the applicant who can work with foreign visitors to improve their international recruitment. And lastly, their job advertisement is very formative and generally well-structured, which help to make the recruiting and selecting process very efficient in global basis. Thank you. And we have some references where we gather all the informations we use to do this presentation. Like we have Bola had Paradigm 2020 December. We also have Gawon 2020. That one is an instructional design, leadership, and management competency. Then we also have a Grief. That one prepared the presentation at the inauguration and the empirical conference British. Thank you.